Good morning, dear student and my friends. Today topic is work transfer for a closed or non-flow process. So first of all, we have to understand that what is a closed or non-flow process. Uh, it is a system in that mass doesn't cross the boundary, but energy cross the boundary. So energy in form of heat or may work. So in that topics, we have to find the work transfer by a system, that work is coming to the system or work is goes out to the system. So this work transfer is basically the input of the heat energy that is applied to the system. Then property of the system is changes, and change will result in form of work transfer. So they are the number of work transfer process that we are used in thermodynamics or any cyclic process. Okay, next slide. The work transfer for a non-flow or a non-flow system. Our aim is to drive the formula for work transfer for a different types of process. So here the first process is constant volume process. It is also called isochoric process. Second is constant pressure or a isobaric process, and third process is constant temperature or a isothermal process, and fourth is reversible adiabatic or a isentropic process, and fifth is a polytropic process. This process is a constant volume or a isochoric process. In that process, we have see this PV diagram. In that process occur 1 2 2. In that process, volume is same at initial and end state of the process. So in a constant volume process, the working substance is contained in a rigid vessel. Hence, the boundary of system are immovable and no work can be done on the system, okay, other than paddle wheel work input. It is assumed that is a constant volume implies zero work. Okay, we have to know that if a initial and final state the volume is same. So already we have to know the word work formula is a pressure multiply change in volume. So there is no change in volume, so in result of we have to get work done for 1 to 2 process 0. Okay, and if we apply uh, the first law of thermodynamics, so in that del q equal to du plus del w. Okay, and so work is 0, so the heat transfer just equal to the internal energy, so that the internal energy integration 1 to 2 du equal to u2 minus u1. So we have to know that they already know about the internal energy. Internal energy is the function of the temperatures. Okay, and it is also constant volume specific heat. So mcv T2 minus T1, okay, equal to del U. If we have to find that how much energy you are transformed to this type of constant volume process, okay, so those heat is transferred to the system just equivalent to this change in internal energy. Okay, but work transfer equal to 0. Okay, and that you see 0 is there is the work done is 0. Okay, next next ach- next in that all the heat transferred or supply in a constant volume process goes to increasing the internal energy. Okay, in constant volume process there is no work is occurred, so what will change change of heat energy into what means, so only change in internal energy. Okay, So if you supply the heat energy, okay, to the system, and you hold the piston moving upward, that is immovable, so that the inside the energy of the gas is increasing, so that we can say that the internal energy is change. So, okay, the volume is not change. So for hold this pressure volume relation of the uh, sorry pressure or temperature relation, and that V1 equal to V2, so V1 V2 is इक्वल होंगे, तो बचेगा क्या, दैट्स रिमेन, इट इज़ P1 by T1 equal to P2 by T2. If such type of process you solve the problem, so this relation is you have to take to find the state properties. Okay, if you have a pressure or pressure is given and final temperature is given, so you can find the initial temperatures. Okay, so every property after find we can assess the burden. Okay, so in constant volume process, the pressure of the gas is directly proportional to the temperature. Okay, it is noted, it is a remarkable point. Next process is a constant pressure process or a isobaric process. You have seen in the PV diagram, one is the initial and 2 point is the end state. So process is occurred 1 to 2. So in that process volume is change, but pressure is constant or temperature is also change. Okay, so in that the boundary when the boundary of a system is inflexible, okay, as in constant volume process, okay, when the pressure rises, when heat supplied, hence for a constant pressure process, boundary must move against an external resistant, and that heat is supplied. For instance, a fluid in a cylinder behind a piston can made to undergo a constant pressure process. Since piston is pushed through a certain distance by force exerted by a fluid, then work is done by a fluid on this surrounding. Okay, in that you have to put a weight on the piston, so heat is supply, and the energy of the uh, inside the cylinder, the uh, pressure is constant, but the volume is changed. So volume is changed, so it pushes up the piston upward at a constant. Okay, so this is the first law of thermodynamics equation. Okay, the heat for 1 to 2 process, work done for 1 to 2 process, change in internal energy. Okay, so W12, so integral PdV, and that pressure is constant, so volume is changed, so P is equal to P bracket V2 minus V1 हो गया. ओके, वर्क डन का जो भी होगा, और इंटरनल एनर्जी U2 minus U1. ओके, so arrange this relation in like form, P2 V2 plus U2 or P1 V1 plus U. So enthalpy is just sum of the internal energy plus flow energy. Okay, so H is equal to U plus PV, so H2 minus H1. Okay, so enthalpy इक्वल टू होता है MCP और T2 minus T1. ओके, सो चेंज इन एंथैल्पी. ठीक है, जो भी आप हीट सप्लाई करेंगे सिस्टम को, और वो सिस्टम किस तरह का प्रोसेस हो रहा है उसके अंदर, कांस्टेंट प्रेशर प्रोसेस, तो क्या चेंज होगा. ठीक है, जो भी चेंज होगा वो चेंज इन एंथैल्पी चेंज होगा. ठीक है, इसमें इंटरनल भी चेंज होती है और वर्क ट्रांसफ़र भी होता है, दोनों होता है. तो यहाँ पे P1 और P2 सेम है, इक्वल टू P इक्वल टू constant. So this relation is like that, volume divided temperature form. If you find any unknown property, so you can find by this relation. Okay, next slide, constant temperature or a isothermal process. Okay, if a system put in contact with a constant temperatures and heat and work be so proportional that temperature of the system remains same, the process then become a constant temperature or a isothermal process. In isothermal expansion, heat must be added continuously in order to keep the temperature at initial value. Similarly, in isothermal compression, heat must be removed from the fluid continuously during the process. So, for a perfect gas, the internal energy is a function of temperature only. So, all heat imparted of a gas during the process is used for the work expansion. Okay, the work done by a perfect gas in expanding from 1 to 2 isothermally, and that is irreversibly, so that is shown by the PV diagram. So 1 to 2 is a expansion process. Okay, in expansion process हमारा जो टेम्परेचर क्या होगा, एक कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करना होगा जो ही, ठीक है, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, हमें कंटिन्यूसली एक हीट ऐड करनी पड़ेगी ताकि ड्यूरिंग प्रोसेस का टेम्परेचर सेम रहे. ठीक है, तो इस प्रोसेस के अंदर हमें पता है कि जो इंटरनल एनर्जी होने वाला है वो इंटरनल एनर्जी क्या है, इज अ टेम्परेचर फंक्शन, लेकिन टेम्परेचर तो चेंज नहीं हो रहा, तो सो इंटरनल एनर्जी जीरो ही हो जाएगा. सो जो भी हीट है वो जस्ट कन्वर्टेड इनटू टोटली इनटू वर्क. ओके, W12 that is integration 1 to 2 is a PdV. So PV equal to P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 equal to PV. So P equal to C by B, C equal to constant. So W1 equal to, put the value of PV from in this equation. ठीक है, in this equation put this value of P, and so this result in form. So integrate dV by V, so C ln V2 over V1, and C equal to क्या है, V1 P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. so आप चाहे तो P1 V1 रख सकते हैं या P2 V2 रख सकते हैं, वो आपकी इच्छा है, जो भी है, ठीक है ना, एज योर डिजायर्ड what you put value of constant. Okay, next process, reversible adiabatic or a isentropic process. In that process no heat transfer during the process. ठीक है, there is no heat transfer during the process, so no heat is coming from the surrounding or from the system. Okay, it is thermally insulated. Okay, such process can be reversible or irreversible. Okay, so Q equal to 0, del Q equal to 0. So it is the first law of thermodynamics equation for a non-flow process. So del Q, जो भी Q12 क्या होगा, 0 होगा, क्योंकि वो हीट तो इंटरेक्ट हो ही नहीं रहा सिस्टम से. सो जो भी वर्क डन होगा वो क्या होगा, आपकी इंटरनल एनर्जी के बराबर हो जाएगा. सो ठीक है, सो एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस बनाने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू अप्लाई the insulation around the cylinder, so heat neither goes to outside or coming. Okay, so W12 equal to U1 minus U2. हमें इंटरनल एनर्जी पता है, का फार्मूला है mCV T1 माइनस T2, और CV की वैल्यू क्या है, एक मेयर का फार्मूला है CP माइनस CV इक्वल टू R, or specific heat ratio, that is equal to gamma equal to Cp divided Cv. So these relation we can find this relation as in form. Okay, put this value of Cv in this equation, MR इस तरह का रिलेशन आ जाएगा. ओके, और यहाँ पे ये जो आपका यहाँ पे P1 V1 माइनस P2 V2 ये कहाँ से आ गया आपका, ये वैल्यू है जब R की वैल्यू T1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे या T2 के, तो R T1 इक्वल टू क्या होगा, P1 V1 ही तो होगा, और R T2 इक्वल टू क्या होगा, P2 V2 होगा. भाई गैस लॉ का अकॉर्डिंग लिखेंगे ना. ठीक है, तो इस प्रोसेस को हम जनरली बहुत जगह यूज़ करते हैं, चाहे तो कंप्रेशन प्रोसेस होगा या एक्सपेंशन प्रोसेस में. ठीक है, it is a curve, not any straight process. Okay, so these are the relation related to the adiabatic process. So adiabatic process, PV की power gamma equal to C. So these three relation is very important for find any state properties. So you remember these, we have to already derive in many times. Okay, next, polytropic process. The process are referred to a polytropic if they satisfy the equation PV की power n equal to C, where n is the polytropic index or exponent which has a constant numerical value for a given polytropic process. So polytropic process make it is possible to investigate phenomena taking place in heat engine. So these are the poly index. When the poly index is equal to 0, that means is a constant pressure process. Or if the value of the n equal to infinitive, that means it is a constant volume process. Or n equal to 1 equal to means is the isothermal process. Or n equal to gamma equal to gamma equal to, it is a adiabatic process. So we have to change this exponent value, so what we want type of process. Next, so polytropic process were done is like same as to isentropic or a reversible adiabatic process, but there is only change in gamma value. Gamma value is replaced by n. So already we have to derive the relation of isentropic process, so we are only change the value of gamma we have to put up the value of, replace gamma equal to n. Okay, or internal energy, this del U equal to mCV T2 minus TV. So first law of thermodynamics put up for a non-flow process. Okay, these are the relation related to the polytropic process. If any state property is not given, so we can find easily the state property. So it is very important to remember always. Thank you for seeing this video. Best of luck. Okay, thank you.